You want some? You want some? He's looking at me. He's looking at me. Bye-bye! Hey, yo, what is going on? We back with another banger video, and today we got my boy Cousin, and it's cold as fuck. So we're gonna whip this. Great parking, amazing. Look at this, we are in a 10 speed. This is what I wasn't gonna get originally. I was gonna grab a 10 speed, you know, had to get it red. I had all the specs, guys. Yo, you fuck with the wallpaper though? Look at that. Y'all like it? Let me know. Comment below. And look at that. But it's kind of getting dark, but you guys, we're finna have a fun in this car. I'm gonna kill my cousin today, but it sounds so good. We're finna put the windows down a little bit so y'all can hear it. Oh, there's another Mustang, boys. Bitch. Who the fuck do you think you are? Which way are we going?
The highway.
This way, right?
Yeah.
Yo, guys, this is the A1 driving skill right here. On point. This is how you're supposed to drive. Just so you guys know. Oh my god. This sounds so good. What the why is it doing that? Is it because it's like in sport? Is it? It's not even in sport, right?
Mexico.
We're in Mexico, just so you guys know. Bro, this is so... This is crazy. 10 gears.
Yeah, it takes
like,
forever.
Bro.
It takes forever to go down.
Yep. I'm gonna go in this lane, just so you guys... That's crazy.
If you just, you know, you can press the gas and then click it.
I can hold the gas?
Yeah, you didn't know that?
I let go.
Motherfucker. You good. You
Bro. Yo guys, I swear to God, that truck had a blue light. That truck had blue lights. My heartbeat went to like 190.
Oh, no. That one up here.
Yeah.
We'll get a good sunset this way.
Oh, look at that. Y'all see that?
85.
Alright, bet. You see that, guys? Yeah. That's in normal, right?
Yeah.
Or is it in sport?
Not sport. Not in sport. See, now,
Yo.
if you barely touch it, it'll just drop.
Yo, that is a whole different game. Let's see if you want. Let's see if this slow piece of whack wants some smoke. Come here, bitch. You want some? You want some? You want some? You want some? He's looking at me. He's looking at me. Bye bye. He said he's good. This car is so fucking fast.
It just goes, that's what. It doesn't fall off.
It's not bad.
Your scap though, like.
I mean, yeah. I want to smoke that Audi right there.
With turbo V, the newer ones.
Yeah, move. That's right.
It's so fast. Whoa, what the fuck? Y'all saw that? Bro,
They're like a piece of paper, but I flinched, bro. I went like, just cause like a natural instinct. Nah, that was all me. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna get that Audi. It's game over, Neil. I have to let go of the throttle cause fucking that thing. Look at that thing. It's full of embarrassment. I don't know how to do it, bro.
Yeah, first it just does that.
Oh man. Alright. Turn around, we gotta pick him up. Oh, we could just leave him, bro. Take his car and just go somewhere. You guys, look at this dude. Come on, guy. Bye bye. Oh, look at this dude. He wants some smoke. Look at him. Y'all see him? Y'all see him? Look at this guy.
I love cloudy.
This man, dude. Are you dumb or are you dumb? Like, why you want to embarrass yourself?
Yeah,
cop right there. Oh, he just went past. Where you going, bro? Where you going, clown? I'll show you the car real quick. Alright, so this man, he got the same wheels I do, except these are 20-inch, I have 19s, so the Tech 7s. Those are really fat tires. You got 305s in the back. I have 275s. I don't have really thick tires on the Mustang, but on the Scat we have 305s. But here it is. That's the Mustang. Guys, that was the fucking video. Y'all already know. Y'all stay tuned, cause keep bringing banger video. Peace out.